In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create business plan with Grok. First, open your browser and go to Grok. If you land on a homepage with several options, make sure you're in the chat area, the conversational workspace where you can type prompts and get guided responses. In the left sidebar, click chat to bring up the message box. That's where we'll do all the work. We'll start by asking Grok for a business plan outline. Beginning with an outline keeps you organized and ensures you don't miss any core sections. A solid plan usually includes an executive summary, company overview, problem and solution, market analysis, product or service, business model, go-to-market strategy, operations, team, financial projections, and risks. You don't have to memorize that list. Grok will propose it and adapt it to your industry. In the chat box, type a clear prompt that describes your idea, audience, and goals. For example, you could say, create a concise business plan outline for a type of business targeting customer segment in location. Include market size assumptions, key competitors, pricing approach, marketing channels, and a 12-month financial projection framework. The more context you provide, such as your pricing, target launch date, or unique advantage, the more specific the output will be. Send your prompt, and Grok will generate a structured framework you can build on. You'll see headings and short descriptions for each section. Scan it for relevance. Check that the target market, revenue model, and distribution channels match your vision. If anything looks off, note it. You'll refine it next. Once the result is done, read through it slowly and highlight gaps. Are the customer segments too broad? Do the assumptions need sources? Are the KPIs aligned with how you measure success? Keep a short list of edits you want. Now refine, edit, and format. Ask Grok to expand sections that matter most, like market analysis or financials. Request realistic ranges and drivers rather than generic claims. If you prefer a certain voice, concise and investor-ready, or friendly and founder-focused, say so. Tighten the executive summary to one page. Ensure each section answers who, what, why, and how, and align milestones with a clear timeline. Finally, format for readability with clear headings, consistent terminology, and short paragraphs. Iterate until the plan reflects your strategy and sounds natural when read aloud. That's it. With Grok's chat, an outline-driven prompt, and a round of thoughtful edits, you can produce a business plan that's structured, credible, and ready to share.